The Internet of Things is changing the world. New technologies will be invented. New platforms will be transformed. New solutions will be integrated. And new industry sectors will be formed. We will have smarter solutions in Industry 4.0, intelligent retail and logistics, transportation infrastructure, energy and environment, intelligent healthcare systems, and smart cities. Our imagination is the only limit to the Internet of Things. The world will be smarter and better. There are unprecedented challenges ahead of us. Challenge of connectivity, information processing, technology standardization, and the complexity across different industry sectors. The challenge of the inevitable fragmentation is holding back the evolution of the Internet of Things. At Advantech, we see the fragmentation as an opportunity. In the past, our focus was on automation and technological advancement of products. In the future, we'll focus on intelligent software platforms to enable partners' domain-focused solutions. Through Advantech's WisePass IoT platform, partners can utilize a wide range of intelligent and data-driven applications, develop hardware and software integrated solutions, and deliver standardized and replicable IoT solution-ready packages. Your contribution and our co-creation will overcome the challenge of the fragmentation and build a new blueprint for the Internet of Things. No one can do IoT alone. The ecosystem needs both contributors and enablers. Advantech endeavors to support our partners and become the enabler for the intelligent planet by sharing our resources and collaborating with market specialists. Working together to change the way we think, invent, and innovate. Our future is measured by our partners' ability to dream. Advantech Co-Creation Business Model, enabling our partners to build and create the impossible. Advantech, co-creating the future of the IoT world.